Hello there, home decor enthusiasts and furniture aficionados. Get ready for a journey into the world of the anti-dust sofa set cover, the ultimate guardian of your cherished furniture that combines practicality with elegance. Imagine this: you've invested in a stunning sofa set that brings life and comfort to your living space. Now, imagine that you can keep it looking brand new and dust-free, without sacrificing style. That's where the anti-dust sofa set cover steps in. At first glance, it's not just a cover, it's a fashion statement for your living room. But this cover is more than just a pretty face, it's a fortress against dust and dirt, wrapped in sophistication. This isn't your average sofa cover. It's like your sofa's superhero cape, shielding it from the villainous forces of dust, spills, and everyday wear and tear. It's an insurance policy for your beloved furniture. The magic lies in its anti-dust technology. It repels dust like a magnet repels metal, keeping your sofa set looking as fresh as the day it arrived. It's like having a protective force field for your furniture. But we're not stopping at protection. This cover oozes style. It's designed to seamlessly blend with your decor, adding a touch of elegance to your living space. Your furniture doesn't just stay clean, it stays beautiful. Throughout this video, we'll demonstrate the cover's versatility and functionality, from easy installation to effortless maintenance. It's not just a cover, it's a statement piece. Don't miss out on this journey into the world of the anti-dust sofa set cover, where innovation meets style, and your furniture remains a masterpiece. Hit that like button, subscribe for more home decor wisdom, and let's elevate your living space together.